Hi there, it's Drive-Y DIY here. Just thought I'd do a quick video on this Vauxhall Zafira, or Opel Zafira, whatever you want to call it, where you are in the world, on how to get the 6th and 7th seat up from the boot. So I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're not sure, it is in the owner's manual, but it can be a bit of, if you're not quite sure how to operate and what method to go from, it can be a bit hard work. So I'm just going to show you how to do that. So the first thing you've got to do is this mat will be across the 6th and 7th seat, so you have to fold that up, which is very easy. So I'm going to tell you what the next step is before you can actually bring this back up and set it up. You've got a handle there, that's what you're going to be pulling to do that, so make sure that's intact and not broken first. So first thing you've got to do to make the seat accessible is push the 3rd, 4th and 5th seat forward. And how you're going to do that is with this lever. So if you grab this and just pull it forward, and the seats go forward like that, which will expose the 6th and 7th seat. So hopefully that should come out now. So what you're going to do now is grab the handle. So now you've got clearance for the front 3rd, 4th and 5th seat. So for the 6th and 7th, which is the same on both sides, you grab the handle like that, pull it towards you, and then it should rotate into a resting area. And if you can see how that locks into there, exposing the seat and the seat belt. And to plug the seat belt in, you'll have that covered there. Just unplug it, pull that one out, and that crosses over. And then to finish off, retreat the seats back by pulling that forward. And they go back like that. And that's how you engage the 6th and 7th seat of a Vauxhall Zafira. Hopefully this helps, and thanks for watching.